Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 CT5. The Cadillac CT5 offers a powerful engine, an upscale interior, and plenty of technology. Couple that with an exterior design that is stunning, and you have a vehicle sure to make people notice. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.